All right, happy Saturday, everybody. I have a cool new extension that I'm promoting. It's called Post Filter. What it's going to do is allow you to get rid of all the junk that's in your feed that you don't want to see. Um, was trying to get some cool background effects with the share green screen, but that's not going to work. So heck with it. Just go ahead. So like I said, what I've got right now is the Post Filter Pro extension. So click on that. And a couple simple things if you want to filter out your posts, your ads, whatever. I'm always looking for things on funnels. Big promoter of both Groove and ClickFunnels for different reasons. I'm basically switching over to Groove, but right now I just want to see stuff about funnels. So I've put the funnel keyword in there. I want to show it. And I'm just going to click that button, and we should see in my feed things go away and start to see things with the keywords of funnel. And there it is. So pretty cool tool. Depends if you want to only see ads with certain things. You're looking for different marketing info, trying to see what ads are doing well. Stuff like this Chat Fuel you can see has 22 thumbs up. So that's pretty good. So things like that I want to see how people are doing with their funnel notices and that sort of thing, and just in general see what people are doing to promote their funnel tools, their funnel building, and everything like that. Or if I just don't want to see certain topics, I can do that as well. So that's about it. If anybody's interested, I'll put a link below. If anybody wants to try it out, just message me, have questions, let me know. And that's about it. Thanks.